In this video, we're going to guide you through the process of creating an app that allows your employees to submit their own BambooHR time-off requests. Let's begin by discussing user environment variables. Each employee will have their own BambooHR API key, which needs to be stored in the Ops Beacon portal. Instead of using global environment variables or workspace variables, you should store them in a specific way. For this scenario, you'll want to use user environment variables. You can create your key value pair right here, and if you prefer to keep it hidden, just check the box to make it invisible. Now that your environment variable is ready, we can set up the BambooHR credentials. BambooHR uses a basic authorization method, so you'll need to create a basic auth secret. Replace your API key with the username field by entering env, your environment variable name, such as BambooHR. The password is not crucial, so feel free to input a random number. Now it's time to create a REST connection for making API requests. The base URL should be set to https://api.bamboohr.com, which is a standard URL. Make sure to add the accept header as application/JSON and select the appropriate authorization type. Since our secret is basic auth, you should select both basic auth and the BambooHR secrets we created. Then, create a REST command to define the time-off request action. As indicated in BambooHR's API reference documentation, you'll need to send a PUT request to this API. Replace OB2AI technologies with your company's domain. The content type will be application/JSON, and you should define the inputs of the app here. As demonstrated, the user ID is passed as a parameter in the API, while the other parameters are included in the request body in this structure. Take note that the arguments are specified between two curly brackets. To test this command before launching the app, you can use the execution terminal available in the portal. To conduct the test, write a comment line as connection, comment, and arguments in that order. You can verify the results from the response. Finally, you're ready to create the app. Apps consist of three main components in JSON: data elements, form elements, and permissions. Data elements represent a table displaying data from your GET request. In our scenario, we won't use this. Form elements cover the input and action fields necessary to trigger the comments. Input fields correspond to arguments, while the action field relates to executing the comment line. Permissions define which user levels can perform this comment line operation. In this context, read-only signifies that users with read-only access and higher permissions can operate this. To ensure proper functionality, the app's JSON should be structured like this. As you can see, the UI displays the required fields for our comment, and we can now use this setup. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.